Hello everyone, I still Mohammed Bilago. So what I've been doing so far with Kringle Cash is I've been showing you guys how I make money with Bitcoin Bounty. I showed you guys that I've made up to a total of $600 from Bitcoin Bounty alone. I showed you the last time I made for $2, and this time around within a week, okay, on the 7th, within 2 days, let's call it 2 days. Within 2 days, on the 7th and on the 9th, I earned $4 grand. The TBC admin is no longer showing the exact amount in Bitcoin I'm earning, or people are earning through bulk credit. So, but what I earned in total is about $24. Okay, because each grain is each $4 grand. I think it represents based on what I received in my wallet. What I received was worth about $12. Okay, so which means that if you add it up together, if you add these two and these two, it will add up to $24. So I just made $24 in 2 days through Kringle Cash Bitcoin Bounty. Okay, so if any of you guys are watching this video, you're not a TBC member and you want to participate in TBC and you want to learn how to make money with this Bitcoin Bounty so they can earn Bitcoin, like you can see from here that I have a history of earning Bitcoin. Like on a monthly basis I earn Bitcoin. Okay, you yourself can be in that position. There are people who are earning more than me in this. Like these people are like making serious money on a weekly, daily basis with Bitcoin Bounty. You can also do the same, okay? But all you have to do is that you have to become a TBC member, okay? But if you're not a TBC member and you're watching this, contact me. I will help you set up everything, help you get started, okay? And I teach you how to go about it so that you can always get monthly cash flow, to the point that you don't necessarily have to spend any other money any month to pay for anything, apart from the initial capital you will use to start up. Okay, also if you're a TBC member, okay, you're not my direct referral, but you want to learn how to make money with Bitcoin Bounty, okay, you can pay for a class. I can teach you and guide you and set you up so that you can start making money yourself with Bitcoin Bounty. Okay, like right now I have steady cash flow without doing much with thanks to Bitcoin Bounty. Okay, so if you have the kind of setup I have, okay, if you have the kind of setup that I have, okay, you will be earning serious cash flow on a monthly basis. You may even be earning more than me. Okay, may even earn more than me. So if you are seeing this and you're interested, okay, all you have to do is contact me. This works 100%. Like this works 100%. Part of the reason why you're seeing me do this is because I became like impressed when after some months I came back and my earnings are still available for me and I was able to withdraw them. Okay, that got me excited to the point that I started doing videos about it. So I'll still be showing you guys my earnings. Those of you guys who are TBC members and are interested in this, you can sign up for training. Okay, those of you guys who are not TBC members and you're interested in this, contact me. I can help you set up this, but just know you have to do the initial work. Once you do the initial work, you have set up yourself for life to earn passive cash flow. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.